Listen to me. Today, we are talking about an advanced topic. We are talking about 2026 top tier corporate hacking techniques. But before we even start, I'm going to tell you the truth because I'm on YouTube. I cannot get deeply illegally technical and show you exactly how to build this exploit step by step in a live terminal. You know where we are. We have to respect the rules. So this video stays up. Let's look at the nightmare. I want you to imagine a scenario. A hacker gets into your account, or maybe they get into the email of a CEO at a billion-dollar company. The security team notices something is wrong, or the CEO gets a weird alert. What is the very first thing you do? You panic. You immediately change your password. You make it 20 characters long. You turn on multi-factor authentication. You go buy a physical hardware key, a UV key, and you lock the account down like Fort Knox. You sit back, you take a deep breath, and you think to yourself, okay, I'm safe. The hacker is logged out. In 2026, the hacker is laughing at you. The hacker doesn't care that you change your password. They don't care about your UV key. They don't care about your new fingerprint scanner. They are still inside your account. They are sitting in the dark, silently downloading every single email you receive, reading your private files, and watching your entire life. How is this possible? Because in modern hacking, we don't attack your password. We bypass the concept of passwords entirely. Today, we are talking about OAuth consent phishing, also known as an illicit consent grant. Let me break down exactly how this attack works. 10 years ago, if I wanted to hack you, I would send you a fake login page. I would make it look exactly like Google or Microsoft, and I would hope you were stupid enough to type your password into my fake box so I could steal it. But today, users are smarter, browsers are smarter, antivirus blocks fake login pages. So I don't send you a fake login page, I send you a real one. I send an email to the HR manager of a target company. The email says urgent Q3 payroll updates and employee policy changes. It looks incredibly professional. It has the company logo and it has a link to view the document securely. The HR manager clicks the link. The manager gets taken to the real 100% legitimate Microsoft or Google login page. Look at the URL bar. It's not a trick. It has the SSL lock. It really is Microsoft because it's the real Microsoft. The manager's password manager autofills their password. Their phone prompts them for their 2FA code. They type it in. They pass all the security checks perfectly. Then a new screen pops up. This is the kill zone. After they log in, a box appears. It says Secure HR app wants to access your account. It asks for permission to read your user profile, read your emails, and maintain access to data. The HR manager is busy. They just want to read the payroll document. They assume this is just an internal company app. They click accept. Boom, the war is over. What just happened in the background? Let me explain OAuth simply. OAuth is a framework that allows a user to grant a third party application access to their data without giving that application their password. When you click accept, Microsoft says, okay, this user verified who they are. They just gave permission to this app. Microsoft then generates a cryptographically signed piece of code called an access token and a refresh token. Microsoft hands those tokens directly to my malicious cloud application. Think of it like a hotel. Your password is your physical ID card. You showed the front desk your ID and you proved who you are. But when you clicked accept, you told the front desk to give a master key card to my application. I don't have your ID. I don't know your password, but I hold the master key card to your room. Now, let's go back to the beginning of the story. The security team detects strange activity. They tell the HR manager, change your password right now. The manager changes their password. They enable a hardware UB key. Why doesn't it kick me out? Because identity and authorization are two completely different things in modern architecture. Changing your password updates your identity. It changes how you prove who you are to the front desk. But the front desk never deactivated the master keycard they already gave me. I am sitting in a server in Russia running a Python script. My script takes that glowing OAuth token, connects directly to the Microsoft Graph API, and silently downloads every single email the HR manager receives in real time. I don't use a web browser. I don't trigger the login page. I don't trigger your 2FA prompt. The API just sees my golden token, validates the math, and hands me your life. I can sit there for months. Even if you change your password every single day, I am a ghost in your cloud. So, how do you stop it? If changing the password does nothing, how does a blue team kill a ghost? You have to sever the authorization in a corporate environment. the security engineers have to log into the Microsoft Entra ID dashboard or the Google Workspace admin console. They have to physically look at the enterprise applications connected to the user's account. They will see a list of trusted apps, Zoom, Slack, Salesforce, and hiding right in the middle, they will see an app called Secure HR Integration. They have to manually select that malicious application and click Revoke Sessions and remove app. Only then does the server digitally destroy my golden token. Only then does my Python script throw a 401 unauthorized error and kick me into the dark. Look at me. This is the difference between a script kiddie who runs old Kali Linux tools and a modern red teamer who understands cloud architecture and application logic. If you don't understand how OAuth works, if you don't understand how APIs route tokens, you cannot hack in 2026. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon